Hi collectors! In this video, I'm going to show the application of the water slide decals that come with this 1987 Le Mans winning Porsche 962c. This model is in 1/43 scale, released by Spark around 2014, and it came in their silver slide-out box packaging from that time. Due to strict regulations on tobacco advertising in many countries, model manufacturers usually don't reproduce those cigarette brand logos directly on the models. Instead, they include the decal sheets separately for us collectors to apply ourselves. Most decals are pre-cut, so they'll usually slide right off the backing paper after a quick soak in water. However, when you've got a fair feel like this, it's a good idea to roughly cut them out individually first. Even though this particular model has remained unopened, it's still worth giving the surface a wipe to remove any dust that might have settled. I'm using some lens cleaning paper, which is perfect for delicate surfaces. These decals, having been stored for a while, are taking a little longer than usual to release. Definitely don't try to force them off. I'm adding a tiny drop of decal setter to the placement area on the model to help them adhere better. Then, using a cotton bud, I'm gently adjusting the position and checking for any trapped air bubbles, soaking up any excess setter as I go. After positioning, I'm applying a small amount of decal softener to the surface. This helps the decal conform nicely to the model's curves and contours. I'm just checking the angle and direction to make sure everything looks spot on. Applying the setter directly to the back of the decal can give you better control of the mount you use. The Porsche crest on the front of this model wasn't perfectly centered from the factory. After a bit of thought, I've decided to align the decal with the crest. Otherwise, the asymmetry would be even more noticeable. Decal setter and softener are pretty essential items, and a 40ml bottle will likely last you ages. While an air duster isn't strictly necessary for applying decals, it's a fundamental tool for keeping your models clean in general. When dealing with smaller decals, dabbing them into place is often better than trying to wipe them, which can easily cause them to shift. Decals that aren't stored properly can deteriorate or even become unusable. For example, the backing paper on these has started to come away and stick to the decals. So, it's generally a good idea to getting them applied to your models sooner rather than later after purchasing them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It really helps support the channel and means a lot to me.